Hey guys, welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. So today we're going to be making a small little potted Christmas tree, maybe like the kind you'd have if you were in an apartment or a hotel for the Christmas season. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the trunk. In this case, the trunk is really skinny, almost more of a stem than a trunk. So I'm just making two very long or very thin parallel lines. Now, around that trunk, I'm going to draw an oval. That's going to be the inside of my pot. Now I'm going to come down and straight down. And then I'm going to make a curve that imitates that oval bottom. I'm going to come a little bit in from the edges. I'm going to come down and down again. And then once again, I'm going to add a curve to imitate the curve on the top. And then I'm going to add one more little level, following that curve above it to give it a little raised foot. Okay, let's come and add a star. I'm going to come an A, a V, less than, greater than. Then I'm going to go to the four corners. Ha ha. Okay. Now, so that we put our loose branches in the shape that we're looking for, we're going to come and do some guidelines. So I'm coming down from my star, down from my star, and then I'm going to come from this twig and I'm going to curve up and curve up. It's almost going to be like a sail shape. All right, so this is what I'm going to use to guide where I put stuff. I'm going to start with my branches that are close. So they're going to be curving up, almost like a shark fin or a finger or a ghost hand. And I'm just kind of alternating where they are. And now I'm going to come and get my ones that are a little bit wider or behind that. Okay, and we're going to come here. And part of what you're doing is creating a really loose, really folksy kind of look. Now, obviously, those are going to be the thing that's most easily sharpied through. So before I start anything else, I'm going to Sharpie my little branches of green. I think you would call this a bough. I don't know if any of you have ever heard the song Green Grass Growing All Around, but in that song, they talk about all the different parts of the tree, and it goes super fast. But I think when you get to this part where there's part of the green on the tree, and it's not just somewhere that the branches split, I believe it is called a bough. Could be wrong though. Okay. Now we've got those done. I would say the next most likely thing that we might accidentally go over would be a star. So I'll do that before I do anything else. All right, and now I'm going to come and do my trunk. So here's where this goes. Come through and through. And then I'm going to show a little bit poking out into the plant base. Okay, I'm going to get the part of that oval that is not behind the tree branches. Come down, get that bottom curve, And then add on my little foot. Okay, guys, so you have yourself a sweet little potted Christmas tree. Enjoy.